you ever speak to any of the guys you serve with, any of the guys who are trained and have seen combat on the level that you've seen it, do they share the similar mindset?
Yeah, I just had a guy stop by my house 2 days ago. Same mindset. The last thing I think the average American people want is for guys who have not just been there, done that, but also miss it. For some of us, that's like the only time we felt alive. This regular civilian life doesn't work for everybody. The last thing you guys want is guys who miss it. If it wasn't a Rastafari, I'd be totally on the other edge. The average person isn't ready for those type of guys to be on the street, where there's no rules of engagement, no Geneva Convention. And in my mentality, war to me, and the way war has always been, war is just killing. That's it. No one wins in a gunfight. You only survive it, but you don't win it. For me, war is just 100% chaos, killing. Call it murder if you want, but that's what war is.